Beautiful. Refined. Technology. Comfortable. Swift and safe passenger ships. Building passenger cruisers in the third millennium implies deep scientific knowledge and technological know-how. Industrial engineering, material studies, fluid dynamics, computer science, human engineering are just some of the fields involved. It's here, in Tuscany, right in the heart of Italy, in Leghorn, that science, tradition, design, versatility, and technology mingle to create a completely different product with unique features. Tradition, vast experience, technical skills and organizational methods are the qualities that have enabled the Cantiere, Navale, Fratelli, Orlando to launch thousands of tons of shipping. About the middle of the 20th century, the heavy cruisers Trento, Gorizia, and Pola gave rise to the heavy shipbuilding legend in Leghorn. Schooners, steamships, men of war, tugboats, workboats, double-bottom oil and chemical tankers, technologically advanced vessels, fast ferries and passenger cruisers represent the know-how of Italian shipbuilding tradition, esteemed and imitated throughout the world. Design. It's the very symbol of the bel paese, of the Italian style, leader for aesthetic conception and creativity, from architecture to cars to fashion. What do we mean by building passenger ships according to a precise style? A specific field of research looks after features which are often underestimated nowadays: safety and comfort. Thus, seakeeping and stability combined with bright surroundings, finely fitted out according to modern criteria of comfort. Harmony is not just synonymous to what is functional, but also the search for the optimization of spaces to achieve the highest possible standards of safety and comfort for crew and passengers. Versatility. The aim of the Cantiere, Navale, Fratelli, Orlando of Leghorn is to work closely, continuously, and with the utmost flexibility with the ship owner. Conditions are known in other shipyards, tied down by tight schedules. Even in the most advanced working stages, it's possible to bring about changes and adjustments according to emerging needs. In this way, it's possible to update the final product to meet the demands of an all too often fickle and unpredictable market. Technology and safety. Each ship is the end product of scientific work according to a highly developed top-down design system. From the very first phases, the designer is able to approximate with good margins of precision the dimensions, the shape, and the structural features of every part of the hull with the aid of sophisticated software and advanced hardware, experimenting more and more effective solutions. The aspects to be taken into account are so numerous and complex that the human element is what really makes the difference. Load capacity, vehicle maneuvering room, brightness of the surroundings, hull propulsion block noise control and efficiency are just some of the aspects considered. Cruising speeds reached recently have practically doubled, while navigation comfort is incomparably superior to the standards achieved by the most luxurious liners of the beginning of the 20th century. Greater speed obviously implies the use of ever-increasing power, which involves new solutions in the search for better equilibrium, especially in that part of the hull between propeller and buttocks, where power is discharged. Propulsion power can't be wasted or dispersed in cavitation. Without perfect equilibrium between dynamics and shape, noise and vibrations would carry over to the bridge, the lounges, and cabins. However, the structure study is by no means sufficient. The employment of a top-down design system involving various interactive fields of research enables to achieve the highest possible quality standards of the end products, which have made Leghorn one of the leading shipyard centers specialized in high technology shipbuilding. Satellites too play a vital role in the Leghorn shipyards. Our sophisticated GPS, collision avoidance control system, prevents human error in maneuvering the huge cranes. Modern technologies such as benders, oxygen lance cutting, plasma arc cutters and welders, and the gantry crane ensure top quality at all stages of construction. Man and machine interacting to have full control over every single piece, bulkhead or sheet steel, made and molded in the shipyards. Building a ship step by step. Project, design, cutting, forming, assembling, prefabrication and joining. Following a precise loading program, the blocks are assembled one at a time. Then they are lifted, set up and joined. The midship section first, and then the stem and stern sections. Once completed, the bridge is loaded as a single block. Engines, spring bearings and propellers are fitted just before launching the ship. After controls carried out in the large dry dock and operations in the wet slip, it's time for the severe tests out at sea. Every detail, each maneuver is checked by a team of experienced experts. System, circuit and propeller efficiency is tested to guarantee perfect functioning and safety. Draft readings assess static stability, while propeller adjustment and swinging tests are carried out at sea. Navigation trials take place by degrees at 25%, 50%, 75%, and then at full steam. In this phase, measurements of the effects of heat on joint stress and vital parts of the propulsion system are carried out. Valves and adapters and fuel consumption is assessed under stress conditions. Inline linkage performances are registered. Slowdown tests, safety tests, maneuvering tests are carried out. Anchor operations are tried out and timed. High-speed veering, tacking, stabilizer tests, turning circles and instrument calibration definitely guarantee perfect reliability. In Italy, it's not only a question of know-how, since history in Tuscany does its course, and in Leghorn, muscles, soul, intelligence, hundreds of men combine together to build beautiful, swift and safe queens of the ocean.